Hello, I'm Kamal Pandey. I'm 60-year-old and I'm first diagnosed with kidney issues in 2010. I didn't know how to handle this thing, where to go, from where I can seek knowledge about food in relation to the kidney care, what is good for me and what I should stay away from. So those were the relevant issues for me, which made me nervous and somewhat vulnerable. When I came for my medical visit to the kidney care clinic, I also met the dietitian. I met the pharmacist and doctor, nephrologist. So that's how was my first introduction with a dietitian. That's the first time ever I met a dietitian. And they explained me what I'm consuming and what is good for me and what is not good for me, how much portion control I should have. So that's where my learning begins. So my suggestion to all kidney patients and their family is cook food at home. It's very rewarding. My son has helped me a lot. My family helps me a lot. Hello again. This is my son, Dhruv Pandey. He's a med student at UBC Fraser program and going into 4th year. He gives me moral support and watch my discipline and disciplines me if I'm going off the track and inspires me to do better.
When he brought back one of these big pamphlets of kidney disease, that my mom and me really took notice of it. And we started to read a little bit about it, what it is, what's going on, what things he can do to help improve it. And what I found very helpful from that was it improved our relationship because he didn't really open up about what was going on in hospital, especially since I was very young at that time. Food and cooking is a family affair. You rarely cook just for yourself, at least in my household. So we really had to change how we cooked and pay attention to how what we're having is not only tasty for us, but is also good for his chronic disease. I think what makes the recipe really good is that it's really easy to make and doesn't require a lot of time or a lot of utensils. And I found, and it's really easy even when I'm at home, when I'm at university, it's really a quick and easy meal to make.
And I can cook it in bulk and use it for 2-3 meals. And that's the convenient side of it. overall my health is good. I have kidney issues. Has it gone away? No. But I'm living better with it. I know how to cope up with that kidney issues.